There are three main components of the roller barrier system: the roller barrier rotating cups, the central shaft, and the mounting brackets. To calculate how many of each of these components you'll need, you must first work out how many separate roller barrier runs you need for your installation and the linear length of each run. A roller barrier run is a length of barrier that runs in a straight line without any variation in height or direction. By putting together a dimension site plan, this will help you calculate the overall length of the roller barrier required. And if you're able to visit the site, this will help clarify the topography, which may identify areas of height changes or other issues that may influence how the roller barrier is installed. Any point at which the roller barrier run is interrupted by a change in height or direction will need the run to be terminated and a new run started. You will need 10 roller cups for each metre of single row roller barrier, so for a run of 5 metres you will need 50 roller cups. Central shafts are supplied in 2 metre lengths. Shafts can be joined together with a joining spigot to form a longer continuous length and can be easily cut to a shorter length if required. For a 5 metre run of roller barrier, you'll need 3 of the 2 metre shafts, with one trimmed to a metre length. This will mean that you have 3 sections of shaft to join together to form a continuous run of 5 metres, so you'll also need 2 joining spigots. Any offcuts of the central shaft can of course be used with a spigot to extend any roller barrier run. Mounting brackets are designed to support the central shaft and fix into the structure such as a wall, fence or building fascia which the roller barrier is mounted on. We stock a variety of mounting brackets that are available in a range of types and styles, which are suitable for most applications. Bespoke brackets can however be manufactured to order for those odd occasions where a custom designed bracket is required. See the Insight Security website for details of the brackets available. The maximum distance between mounting brackets for a roller barrier run is 2 metres, but in areas of high vulnerability or installations at lower heights, the distance between the brackets may need to be reduced to 1 or 1.5 metres. When calculating the number of mounting brackets you need, remember that you'll need a bracket at each end of each run, with interim brackets spaced appropriately along the length of the run. Other components you'll need for your installation include shaft joining spigots, extra central shafts to allow for trimming or spoilage, run-end termination products, and anti-climb warning signs. You'll also need suitable bolts or alternative fixings for securing the mounting brackets to the wall or structure that they're to be fixed to. For more help, check out our website or call our friendly team.